Welcome back to my channel. Today is our final day in Singapore and our plan is to visit Singapore Flyer and then visit the Jewel at the airport before departing from here. Now we are at Singapore's Changi International Airport and in front of me you can see Jewel, which is adjacent to the Terminal 1. While Changi Airport remains one of Asia's most significant air transportation hub that passengers often love for its unique facilities, the Changi Airport offers a lot of attractions within it. At level 1, Jewel also has a facility for early check-in and baggage drop from 3 to 24 hours before your flight departure time, and it varies depending on your airline, so kindly check. This makes it ideal for any passenger to spend good time at Jewel before leaving Singapore, even though your departure is from any other terminal. Jewel was opened 4 years ago in 2019 as a nature-themed entertainment and retail complex. Visiting Jewel should be on anyone's itinerary when visiting Singapore. Jewel Changi Airport's HSBC Rain Vortex is the world's tallest indoor waterfall and a major visitor attraction. Jewel stays true to its naturistic theme with over 2,000 different trees and palms and more than 100,000 steps spanning approximately 21,000 square meters. Most of this greenery is typically found in the Shiseido Forest Valley, Jewel's iconic indoor forest sanctuary. Although Jewel boasts an incredible cinema and the HSBC Rain Vortex for entertainment, there is plenty more at the Canopy Park at the topmost level of the complex. Think of a mini funfair within a glass dome. Admission to this 14,000 square meters vast play area requires a paid ticket, and there are plenty of activities like the Canopy Bridge, an 8-meter long suspended platform offering the best view of the waterfall. Set a whole day or many hours before your scheduled departure to experience Jewel and what it offers.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Most of the attractions are open from 10 AM to 10 PM, though the mall is open 24 hours. Taking the Transit Sky train from Terminal 3 to Terminal 2, which passes through Jewel, offers passengers a splendid view of the HSBC Rain Vortex and Shiseido Forest Valley. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.